Marcus Weathersby, and welcome to Marc Reviews 12 Monkeys. Well, I could praise the superb direction of Terry Gilliam, one of my favorite personal filmmakers, or I could talk about how crazy Brad Pitt is, or the subtle yet vulnerable stylings of Bruce Willis. But I'm not. What I'm going to praise about 12 Monkeys is that there's finally a movie that gets time travel right. Now, in your typical time travel movie, let's take, for example, Terminator. John Connor is a general who comes up from the ranks of nobody. Of course, he's the everyman when we see him, a young kid or even not even born yet. And he comes up and he kills a lot of Terminators, so the Terminators send a robot back to kill him or his mother in the past. This is completely wrong. In fact, let me illustrate this by showing you what would happen if you actually did this. Why? Why did I do it? Why did I set such rigid limits on myself? A video every 1 to 2 days? It's impossible! I can't do a video every 1 to 2 days. I'm not that beautiful man-child from YouTube, Craig Benzine. I know what to do now. I have to go back in time and kill myself before I make that promise. Then I'll take over my own life and redo it. It's genius. To the TARDIS! Seems to have worked out, right? Well, let's throw this little wrench into the knob. I did it! Oh, don't have to make videos every 1 to 2 days! Wait a minute. Now there's no reason for me to be here because I killed myself in the past! No! I know what to do now. I have to go back in time and kill myself before I make that promise. No! Kill myself. No! Kill myself. No! Kill myself. Yes, there it is. And that's exactly what 12 Monkeys does. Because if you go back in time, you can't change things. You want to know why? Because you were always there and it still happened. Suck it, James Cameron! Yeah. That's pretty much it. And suck it, James Cameron.